Glitter. We're gonna add the glitter to the slime.
Why did you only buy one thing of glitter?
Because that's all we need.
Yeah. Motorsport, put that thing in sports. Shout it bad, pop a lot.
What up? What up?
What up?
Wow, that was an amazing intro right there, folks. That was the best one we ever did. And today, folks, we're gonna be doing making slime. And today we got my niece and the whole family here also, but we got the slime expert here herself. Hold on, guys. One second. Little Soraya wants to sit in my lap. Say hi to the people.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, you heard her. She said hi. Well, like I was saying, we got the slime expert, my niece, Janaya. She's right here in the building to show us how to make slime, folks. We never make slime here in WoodsWorld. So remember, folks, please subscribe, like, comment below on this video right here. And tell us your opinion. What slime should we make next? So, you want to go ahead and introduce yourself, Janaya?
Hello, I'm their niece Naya. Is that good?
Okay, yeah, that is good. She's a little camera shy, guys, but we're gonna tune her up to get her a little bit better with that camera. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this slime right now. So what would be the first step, Naya, that we would do when making slime?
So first you're going to need borax.
Oh, these prescription.
Glue. We're using glitter. You don't have to use glitter if you don't want to. Food coloring, it's color of your choice, and then you're going to need warm water, and we're using 1 to 2 cups, and you're going to be needing a bowl. It doesn't matter how much glue you use, but we're just going to be using this much glue. So the first step is to we need another bowl.
We need another bowl?
Yes.
Okay, she says we need another bowl. So give me 1 second, folks. Alright guys, we just got the bowl that the expert Janaya has requested that we were missing. So go ahead and continue your steps.
So first you're going to get your measuring cup. It doesn't matter if you have a measuring cup, but we're going to be using a measuring cup.
Okay. Let me move this out of the way so make sure that people see. They take that spoon out for you.
So?
Got it? Want me to pour it for you?
I think I'm good.
Alright, you sure that's enough water for all those 3?
I think that's enough.
Think that's enough? Okay.
Okay, then you're going to be opening the borax, and we're going to be needing a teaspoon.
Teaspoon. So we don't have a teaspoon here neither? We can't use this spoon?
That's not a teaspoon.
Alright, so once again, I'll be right back.
What? Guess what? I'll be right back. Sorry, you
Hey guys.
Hey guys, my name is Shania.
So you're going to open the box.
Wow, it's actually harder than I thought, guys. I'm struggling, grown man, struggling with the borax box. So you guys might need a bulldozer just to open the borax box.
Let me see one.
Okay, there it goes.
So you're going to take this teaspoon, and then you're going to pour it.
Here, I'll hold the spoon for you.
You could drop it. Why you don't do it like this?
Okay.
You see?
And
No,
just
we're going to put the water in first.
put the water in first.
And
Okay.
then put the borax in the cup and borax in the bowl.
Put it in the cup or in the butt?
The bowl.
In the bowl. So we're gonna put the borax inside the bowl. 1 teaspoon. So we put the borax in the bowl.
I think we're going to need more water.
Well, it's up to you. She says we're gonna need more water, so we're gonna add a little bit more water.
And then you're going to mix the teaspoon.
All right, so what color are we gonna be using today?
We're going to be using green, but it doesn't matter what color you use, but we're just going to be using green, as we said. So we're going to put like four drops or
4 drops you think would be enough? Okay. So she's dropping 4 drops of the green food color.
10.
well, I'm the expert here, right?
Oh.
Okay.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down.
So we're just going to put this aside right here, and we're going to get the bowl.
Big glass bowl. Wow, that's a huge bowl.
And plus you're going to be needing a spoon. If you don't have a spoon, you can't make it, or you're going to just have to use your hands. So you're going to grab your glue. It's Elmer's clear glue. It doesn't matter what glue you're using, but we're using clear glue. So we're just going to put the whole thing in here. Okay, so we got all the glue mixed in. Oh, and I forgot one thing when I was So now we're going to be adding. We're going to keep on adding a little bit when we put it into the glue. So where's the measuring cup?
Right. The measuring cup is right there.
That should be good. That's good though.
Can I touch?
Yeah, it's kind of sticky.
Wow.
And soon like we're going to go in with our hands and it's going to get all gooey and stuff, but who cares? It's still fun, right?
That is so cool. Guys, this is our first time ever making slime. We never did this before. We had to go and get the expert.
I usually use saline solution, but I think I'm going to start using borax now. Because it's much better than using saline solution.
So about how long do you think we need to stir this up?
Like 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
We're going to add a little more of the activator. Not as much how Uncle Robert just did. My hands are kind of sticky right now, but it's okay. You see that? You could kind of see that it's kind of forming. Oh, and
just watch.
I think we're going to go in with our hands now. I think we should.
Alright, when I go in with my hand, what am I doing? I'm able to lift it up, or am I just checking to see if it's ready or not?
No, you're going to stop using the spoon and like go on your hands. When you go on your hands, you're like kneading it.
Kneading it, it's gone.
To be fine.
Alright, so go ahead and you're gonna start doing that?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna keep on mixing it with the spoon.
Okay.
Okay, out the bowl for we could put on the tablecloth.
I was watching some videos and some people they let it sit for 2 days in the refrigerator or out. Have you ever seen anybody do that before?
Oh yeah, you're going to have to put it like in the freezer because clear. You have to let it sit to like 2 to 1 day because clear time is not going to be clear if you don't let it sit out and stuff.
Okay, so you guys remember that when you're doing. Just let it sit for like 1 to 2 days.
And next time we might be making butter slime with the expert here. Can you help me take this off the bowl?
This is going to be a big cleanup, guys.
Yeah, but it's still fun.
Glitter. We're gonna add the glitter to the slime.
Why did you only buy one thing of glitter?
Because that's all we need.
No, it's not. For this big slime.
Alright, so we're going to put it all together.
Okay. All together, Tootie Bun. Garbage.
Put all the slime together. And if your slime didn't come out like you wanted to, you could add in warm water and then put lotion on it. So put your slime in there, and then like it's gonna become like jiggly slime. If it doesn't turn out the way you want it to turn out.
Alright, so we got it all together. Here's the
Baby,
glitter.
can I please have your slime, please?
Alright, I just opened it for the expert. Guys, this is a project we will definitely be doing again. I really enjoyed
And
doing
next
this.
time when we make slime, it's going to be with me, of course, with the slime expert, and it's going to be butter slime.
That's it. Alright, that's it for the glitter. Alright.
Now this is like St. Patrick's Day slime. She's like threading it and like threading it all
Right
around.
over here so the people can see.
Come on, Sue.
Yeah, right here. Come over here. Come over here and do it. Add the
You want to
glitter.
add the glitter?
Add the
Let her
glitter.
add some glitter.
Yay.
Ooh, yay.
There you go.
Everybody was home.
Five minutes. So you're going to just keep on like flipping it, and then you're going to see all your glitter in the slime.
Glitter.
See, now it's like really glittery. And I thought that was not going to be enough, but guess what? It
It
is.
was? Okay. Wow, that's great.
Great.
That looks so cool, guys. I would never go out and buy slime again.
Or you could just make it with the
Yep.
So guys, this is the slime expert. You can contact her at our channel.
and and we take birthday party slimes too.
Yeah, she's available for birthday parties, slumber parties.
And we might even put a number for you could call me whenever you need slime.
12 and under, she's available, guys. Shania, the
is this
slime
all
expert.
Yes.
Alright, so let me show the people. Wow, guys. Look at this. So this is the final product right here. Look at that. Look how cool that looks. Bro, it's so big and huge. This is amazing. And it's always made by the slime expert.
Don't say the last thing, please.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember, subscribe, like, comment below. We love you. Peace from the Woods World.
Peace.